Can we fix it? We shall see. Get that puppy up in there, just right. Alright, so the problem is it's in this turn signal housing. It's at their turn signal plug, boot, short, whatever you want to call it. This thing wasn't that thing, and then that thing wasn't working. So now we got this thing to, See, you taking bolts out like Papa done, and everything will just slide right on out of there. Yeah, whole ass housing. But there's those 3 bolts. It looks like you just clip in there like so. Not sure if it's supposed to click or clack or... Moment of truth, baby.
You gotta push it in, Dylan.
Alright, we'll see if it pops off. Moment of truth. There you go. Yeah, baby. It's like Christmas. We did it.